Hello from the incredible, fully restored Raffles Singapore hotel. We've just checked in to room 202 and I want to give you a quick video tour of the remodeled property. This is the suite's living space with quite an unusual remnant of times past. They've maintained the traditional light switches in that way. Here is your maxi minibar. So the contraption opens here. There's your tea and coffee making facilities, in-room dining menu. I'm discovering this for the first time myself. I'm trying not to break anything. There's your glassware. And here's everything contained within it as well. They've got a Toblerone there, which is a bit old school. Okay, so TV, seating area, a little bit messy already, sorry about that. And then the shutters separating the main bedroom and the suite, which is a reference to old colonial architecture in Singapore, of course. So really quite dark in here, but in person, very flattering light, very tastefully done. We're in a twin room. There you go. I wish I could tell you a little bit more about this, but I haven't learned about what they've actually done with the restoration, and I didn't stay in the property previously, but it does look really, really beautiful. I'm very impressed, and the whole property is just immaculate. Service has been really good. We just came from lunch. They've got these beautiful, lush, tropical gardens. Amazing selection of restaurants and bars. There's a pool on the rooftop. Anyways, going through to the bathroom. Dual units. Great big tub. Plush robes. Everything you'd expect. And it just feels really, really good to be here. Smells great too. Some of the things you can't pick up on video. But overall, very impressed and can already completely understand why this is universally agreed to be the best hotel in Singapore.